To extend my heartfelt thanks to Sri Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, for inspiring us to take such a massive program. The purpose of organizing this cleanliness drive awareness procession is to make the people conscious towards the importance of neat and cleanliness of the environment. The Prime Minister of India has launched this nationwide massive program, massive drive, for making the India open defecation free within the 2nd October 2019, which was started from 11th of September 2019. And it is seen that most of the people are using open fields, canal and abandoned places, marketplaces for using toilet, which is unhealthy. So by organizing this simple program, our intention is to extend cooperation to Sri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and we do hope that with the help of this simple program, we will be able to make people aware regarding the importance of neat and cleanliness. I want to say one thing, that actually people knows the importance of cleanliness and neatness, but sometimes what happens, most of the people deny, most of the people ignore, and they forget. And at this very moment, I think that such type of procession will make the people conscious. And my lovely students are taking active part in the procession, and the esteemed staffs, they are also taking part in the procession. We have also invited some students from the Harborville High School and Silong Railiam Presbyterian English Medium School. Their students are also expected to take part. This is our main intention. Thank you.